I am going to just straighten my hair and then put in these clip-in hair extensions that I just got from Amazon. I'll link them down below, but I really like them. They're real human hair. You can straighten it, you can curl it, you can wash it, you can dry it. I'm just gonna straighten my hair section by section, but because my hair is so thin and fragile, the max temperature that I can use on my hair is 300, so that's what I have my straightener on. I used to have this chai hair straightener, but it did not have the temperature control. It would pull out my hair. I moved on to the Tymo. Right now I'm just straightening my hair. Just giving it a quick pass just to, really to defrizz is what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm done just straightening my hair. I just went section by section just to tame it a little bit so it's not so frizzy. I am looking up things that I can do at home to help grow thicker and stronger hair. I'll show you the progress if I have any progress. These are the hair clip-in extensions that I'll be using. It's just a halo clip-in extension. It comes with these 2 clips, and then it comes with extra clips to sew in. I just sewed in 2 extra clips. I took off the band that it comes with. I'll be using 2 sets of these halo extensions. This is only, I believe, 10 or 12 inches, I'm not sure, but it's real human hair. It's really nice. It comes really straight, but sometimes I curl it. I'm just gonna brush it out. And I'm gonna straighten it a little bit. Just so that it's not so wavy. And I'll link this straightener, this hair clip-in extension down below in the description box. And I will pin it in the top comment. It's not expensive. It's actually very, very reasonable compared to the cost of extensions. I usually like to place 1 strip here right below my temple and then 1 a little bit above my temple when I'm gonna put 2. Sometimes you can get away with just 1. So the first one's gonna go up here. And then I just add a thickening spray. So I'm using the Rusk Thick Body and Texture Amplifier. So what I do is I just spray the roots. And then tease the roots where the clip-in's gonna go, just so that it creates a little bit of grip for the extensions. I'm going to clip the first one in. So I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I'll try. So I just clip it in right here. I don't know if you were able to see that, but I just clipped it into the roots. And then let me show you the clips up close. See those clips? So all you do is just bend it and it clips in. A little bit higher on my head. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spray the roots with a little bit of that texturizing and thickening spray. Tease it to create something clipping that the clip can grip onto. I don't know if you can see here. Putting it there and clipping it in. That's it. I tried to choose a length of hair extensions that was similar to my length of hair so that I wouldn't have to go and get them blended out at the salon. I don't wear these all the time, but I just wear them like when I want to wear my hair down that I don't want it to look so thin. I'll put these in. So, and then today I'll wear it, I think I'll wear it down the middle. Coconut Miracle Oil by OGX. And my hair straightener just turned off. It has an automatic shut off. I don't want to leave it on and burn the house down. So then I just smooth it all through my hair. I can choose to divide it. Flip my hair the other way. I hope you like this very quick and easy hair extension tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos for us busy moms. And hit that notification bell so that you're notified of all my future uploads. And we'll see you next time. Bye!